morning, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now guys, it is traditional wedding day today, okay? Latoya and Charlie's traditional wedding. I'm excited. I'm already ready. I would have grabbed my camera earlier. Yeah, so everything is already looking good. Setup is already looking great. My bride is already getting her makeup done. Mommy is getting her makeup done as well. Like, everybody's here guys, everybody's here. I'm just so excited for today, and of course I will take you guys along with us and see what we get up to. But first, let's go check on the bride and see how she's going with her makeup. My bridey, look at my bride. Yes, I'm excited. The almighty Saint Anne. This is one of our outfits for today. One of our outfits. And Tim. Hi. Melik. What's in the pop? I'm looking like. Second outfit. You guys would have seen this in the last vlog when we were fitting it. But yeah, that's it. Order of the groom. Hey, see makeup. Hey. My God, fine woman. Yoma of more glam looks. Come on. Please give Momsy her statement red lips. Yes, she cannot wear anything that is not red lips.
I said she was hoping I would change color.
Never. That skin work is good. I better remove this so before tying this gilly. Oh, you can go next time? Yeah. Okay, I'm next. Hi, Sashan. Ooh, look at that headgear. Hi. Hi, Nada. Hi. You ready? You ready?
I'm ready. I am ready.
Yes.
I'm a fan. Like
yeah.
girl, so.
Yeah. Oh, my bride. Yeah. Because she's the bride. They have to take their time.
But tired. Legs tired.
It's too tight. We'll just manage it. Let me see. Let me see under here. Okay. Okay, it's fine. Mommy, we're not ready for you today. Mother of the groom. We're not ready for you. Come on. Hey. Ijawele. Hey. Come on. That's all. See me call. Again. Mama Soja.
Yeah, switch it over and just do the first button.
Eniola, how now? Official photographer. Where in the bob? Nice, okay. Yes, give them, girl. That's my girl, yes. Oh.
Maimo Kabiribo, who are in a child, Rampalama, who are in a child, Maimo Catalamo, who are in a child, who are in a child. I believe in one and another, in a child, who are in a child,
Is he mommy? My groom. My groom. 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 Okay.
So now, dear, I would can't I present God already. Only Sinna Ojubana family. So okay, present is the Ojia. The eldest man in this. For what I'm saying, in essence, is that the cola notes which you presented, Mr. Leonard Henry, have been received by the Ojubanas. The eldest of the Ojubana family, Dr. is going to present it to the eldest man here as our tradition demands.
Mr. Henry and Mr. and Mrs. Henry and the family, and our darling wife, who is your daughter. We are very, very grateful to all of you. The Asaba tradition, like our MC just stated now, is that the eldest Asaba person here present is the person that will break the kola nut. At this point, I will not speak English anymore. So I would like to address the Congo, but I'll tell you what I'm going to do. So you understand what I want to do. Ndi ogweshin. Chichirin. Ndi mmanywa, omomuno. Hey, ngonye ya. Yakweli. Nwanyi na wo. Nwunye ka ọ chọrọ akọ. Ya bụ osolo dị n'ime anyị ga-emezu nwa nchata. Ọdịnala ahaba bụ ka mmezukwa efu Igbo ka ntụkwa ajụjụ ka mmadụ ma nwe onye bụ ọgbọ karịa anyị ncha nọ na emume anyị na-eme wọtata n'etiti anyị. Maka ya bụ ọjị baa aka ya bụ n'olu gozie ọ ga-awa ya bụ ọjị maka na ọ ya ka olu anyị adịghị ikpe nke ụwa ọfụlọ ọhaba ka ọ bụ ọjị ọpụtago anyị fe ga-eme bụ ka anyị waa ọjị nna kasị nna afọ ọma nna anyị ncha niile nna afọ ọma nna anyị obele ya anyị ekele ya ụtata iji abịawo iji awụle ka ọ ga-abụ ezigbo eji awụle ka ọ ga-abụ bikọs nwaanyị achụtago nwunye ọbaza achọ igosi anyị nwunye si anyị duge o jega gosi anyị ya ka anyị bịalewo anyị ka afụkwa nwunye anyị wụ anyị tere ga-emefi anyị tekpụrụ tekpọbata onye nwutu na nwunye ọ te egwu ma ya dịka afụda nwa dịka nyere anyị nwunye what the procedure as we have.
You brought her.
Take your time. You're the bride.
Now the bride is already seated. Please pay attention. It's the stage we are going to put a drink for her. The daddy will pray, and she will now look for her husband and serve the husband. Okay, like I told you earlier, this is the stage. The father of the bride is going to pray for her, and after that, the second stage, she will search for her husband and bring her husband here. I've already asked her secretly whether if we cover the face, he will know him. He said yes. So don't be afraid. That's going to be done now. Let the father say a word or two of prayer.
I need you to go and find your husband.
Hey.
Bring him to me.
Oh, yeah.
I bless this marriage and I wish you all the success.
Amen.
Find your husband.
Is this your husband? Is that your husband? Hey. Where's your husband? Is it him? Is that your husband? No, I'm sorry. Oh, damn. What a shame. What a shame. Is this your husband over here? Is that your husband? No.
I see my husband.
Yeah. Yeah.
I see my husband.
Yeah. Paka, paka, ma. Oh, dogu. Oh, dogu. Oh, dogu. Bring out the money.
Mr. Henry, and it's now left for you to actually hand over your daughter to Charles. Please, immediately you do that, then Charles will now take the bride to the elders, the oldest.
And we expect that both of you will live as husbands and wives peacefully, without any blemishes. We are praying to God for that, because it's only God who is in charge of that. But more so, we're also praying that you must put in your utmost in everything you do. Don't forget that. It's very important. Husbands and wives, you are like two dogs playing. How do the dogs fight? How do they play? One falls for the other and the other falls for the other. So it's a symbiotic relationship. I don't intend to dwell much longer, because anything that is going to be good, God has already blessed. Nihu nihu, kaona kwenwe. Nihu nihu, kaoneje. Mbamba mabu unu agaga nihu. Ofu ofu uneju. You know what I mean? Nife niine ndia. Aine tielo nunepele. Nife niine.
Ayi manya buna mona nuwa kambili beno. Onya kola yani mo kabibe webo. Ina kama nanu nuwa na binge buchi kalima. Onya paka oli bujim. Ndia kalyo. Onya paka. Onya kalyo. Onya paka ni bujim. Onya paka. Onya kalyo. Onya paka ni bujim. Ina kama nono wana bongi buchi kalimo. Onya paka ni bujim. Ngazi wakata kwa panu ako bulo nyo nana o yimo muna nya jebenu ati mukane pari wadiaka wanyu pulu kwa honyama Utana mwanya mwini waime kacha kana ndare pula wani waimo nigenu
Iya, ija, Adanwa, Mawelo ya, Ngwaweloya, Aya Ngwaweloya, Ngwazevoya.
When our son and now our daughter were dancing so happily down to this arena, and I said to one of us that, you know what, we need to check her DNA.
To be sure. Yes. To be sure you're not Nigerian, because man.
And we have so many doctors in the house. We're going to do it free of charge. And we're going to get the results as fast as you can imagine. That this speaking here, this our wife, is a Nigerian.
Yes.
Isn't it wonderful to be home?
It is wonderful.
And we are happy to have you here. And we're going to have you with us forever.
Yeah.
You have come to stay. You have come into a blessed family.
Yes.
A home where all they know how to do is pray and depend on God.
That's right.
And God has led them this far. And that ball that has been handed over to you by your mother, you're not going to drop it. You are going to pass that ball and hand it over to generations and generations and generations of your Jubanas to come. Soldier, put your hand on that knife. So, they are about to cut this cake. Give me a G.
G.
They said it's a capital G. That one is for you. Give us a G.
G.
O.
O.
And a D.
D.
I